Hello, everybody. This is Ali. I am actually trying something different today with the headphones. I don't know if you can hear me. Let me see. Maybe I should turn it on. Okay, so let me know if you can hear me, please, because I am not sure if I'm doing this right. But anyway, hi, everybody. How's everybody doing? I know these are crazy, crazy times, and I haven't stopped here in a little while, and I've had my own little craziness. Um, I have a full-time job, and we're just, and then I do real art designs as well. And so with my full-time job, we moved the offices home, and it it was a hectic time. So but now we're settled, and we're just trying to stay home in quarantine, not going anywhere, following the advice of our local government. So I hope you're doing the same. But I'm home, so I'm actually, I'm saving a couple of hours a day of commute, because it takes me about an hour to get to work and back every day. So those are, like, I just clocked out and I'm home, so that's a whole hour that I'm actually using to, exercise a little bit, go outside, walk around my neighborhood, um, and just get caught up on some of the things that I've been wanting to get done, but time is limited. And so I wanted to show you. Oh, hi, Jennifer. How are you? So I wanted to show you real quick, in this, time that we're home. A lot of you are home. Like in my case, I'm home alone most of the day. I have an older daughter. She doesn't live here with me. My husband's still working all day outside of the house. Some of you are home with children, and so your hands are pretty full, I'm sure, trying to keep the kids, busy. And I get it. But in the process of me being home, I started doing a little bit of a spring cleaning. Hi! I started doing a little bit of spring cleaning. And I think a lot of houses are gonna be pretty clean this year with everybody at home. And then you start going through, throwing away not throwing away, but storing your winter clothing and your winter accessories, and getting some of the spring things out and that kind of stuff. And then we have a little bit more time in our hands. So I was doing that, and I started cleaning my makeup. And I have to confess, I had makeup from like 10 years ago. Yeah, not supposed to do that. Don't follow my advice. And that, follow this advice that I'm getting ready to give you. I went through my makeup and my face lotions and my face mask and all of that good stuff. And yeah, I threw away a bunch of stuff. But in the process, I also started cleaning out my purse, which, it could be a task in itself. Just getting stuff out of the purse, just getting things out that, I get it. We don't have control of what's going on outside, but we can at least control a little bit of what's going on inside. And our purse and our personal items, is one of the things that we can actually have a little bit of control, right now. And so I wanted to show you how with my little makeup bag, the see-through one that I made. This is the one I use, and I keep this inside my purse, and it's easy to see, my makeup, and to see if it's expired, to see what I really have, like the lipsticks and whatnot. I mean, as you can see, like, you can see everything inside. And so this has been very handy, because it fits inside my purse, and that's it. I'm ready. Like, I know that I will not, hopefully, have old makeup in here. Again, because I'll be able to see exactly what I have, because sometimes what happens is that if you don't use it all the time, you forget you even have it, and then you don't see it, you know, out of sight, out of mind, right? So this is one tip that I found very helpful when I use the clear toiletry bags. And also this one, this is the smaller one, but the bigger one, I was able to put in there my face cream. Well, I have some of the face creams in there, and this is like my face wash and things like that. So that way I can just store them in the shelf and they're ready to go. And then I can make some room in my countertops, and I can put this in the shelf, and then I can see what's inside. I don't have to open every bag to see what's inside when I'm looking for something. And again, like I said, if you see it, you'll use it. And if you'll use it, it won't get expired before, and then you get your money's worth, okay? So I just wanted to show you how I'm using the product that I made to keep myself a little bit organized inside the house, because I get it, nobody's traveling right now. We're not going anywhere. You shouldn't be going anywhere. Please don't go anywhere. So if you're staying home, which you should, then you can actually get a little bit of order in some of the things in life that, let's be honest, how many times do we go through our purses? Like, that is not a priority, okay? That's why we all have shoulder pains. So this is the time that you can take a few minutes, go through your purse, and then these little bags will literally make your life so much easier, because you'll be able to see exactly what you have. And even if you're just cleaning your bathroom and you want to put it in your what's the word, the cabinet or whatever, you can just have it right there, and you can see what's inside. Even inside a drawer, it doesn't matter, but you can clearly see it. So yes, you guys, if let me know how are you spending your time, what are you doing while you're home these days. You know, I know that a lot of people are doing a lot of creative things. So let me know. I mean, that's what I've found so far. And of course, I'm sewing and creating new things, because that's, you know, what I enjoy doing. And my daughter's not in town, so, and my husband, you know, like I said, he's working all day. And so let me know what it is that you're doing. Let me know if you could hear me, because like I said, I'm testing this, so I hope you could hear me. And I'll be around for the rest of the afternoon. If you have any questions for me, I will put the link for this bag. This is the one I have available. I'll put the link in the comments. This one, I don't have it in blue, but I'm thinking I'm gonna make some in blue, because I have a couple of people have asked for it. So let me know what you're how you're, you know, what have you learned from this experience, and what have you find out that is working for you while you stay home. Okay, I will see you later, and please stay safe. Oh, Jennifer saying cooking, baking. I know. Family game nights and movie nights are so much fun. You know, I was thinking about even doing some family game nights, like through live, like there's like Zoom and other programs that you can do it remotely with other people. So if they have the same game, maybe it can be done that way. But I've been doing a lot of eating. Oh yes, I have been. All of a sudden, I just got so hungry. Yeah, that's why I'm gonna go walk right now. I tried to do like a 30-minute walk, because there is I can't. I have to Baking is fun. I made this recipe of brownies with sweet potato. Trying to eat, you know, I don't like sweet potato. They were okay. I think I'm gonna add more cocoa next time. But anyway, okay. I will see you later. And again, let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be around. Okay. Have a good night. Bye.